the Chinese New Year presentation. Ngayong 2025, bilang itinuturing na Year of the Wooden Snake, inisa-isa ni Master Hans ang mga pangunahing kapalaran ng 12 zodiac signs mula sa swerte hanggang sa mga dapat iwasan. Year of the Rat, Year of the Ox, Year of the Tiger, Year of the Rabbit, Year of the Dragon, Year of the Snake. Dapat i-cure ang apat na signs: pig, tiger, snake at monkey. Asahan ang victory at success star na magdadala ng tagumpay. Year of the Horse, Year of the Goat, Year of the Monkey, Year of the Rooster, Year of the Dog, Year of the Pig. Paalala naman ni Master Hans, hindi lamang ito ang magdidikta ng buong taon sa isang tao. Ito lamang ay gabay para makatulong sa paglalakbay sa buong 2025. Kung Hei Facha! High five ngayong 2025! Feel na feel ang Febmamahal ngayong February on the Bloodcast. Love Notes Year 5, the Bloodcast Valentine's Day presentation. Music from the Heart Year 7, Smule Valentine's Day offering, February 1 to 14, 2025. The Bloodcast 4th Anniversary Presentation. Greet and Win Promo, the Bloodcast 4th Anniversary Presentation. 1,300 subscribers and counting. Question and answer. The Bloodcast 1,000 YouTube subscribers promo. The Bloodcast, my official YouTube channel.